Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now, part of our tips and tricks series, my transfers are not sticking. Now guys, one cause of that is moisture in the fabric, okay? We know hoodies in particular. Think of your natural fibres, cotton hoodies, they're much thicker pile, and I'm gonna use that as an example, right? They hold a lot more moisture, and right now, I know there's a lot more humidity about, there's a lot more humidity overseas where these garments are being made. They're being bagged up into plastic, put into boxes and shipped over to us. Have you ever opened up a new box, like a cardboard box, opened up, taken the bag of garments out, say hoodies, and they almost look like they were baked that morning, like the fresh bread, they've got that bit of moisture inside them, or you open them up and you can smell the moisture. Guys, we certainly have, we know our customers have. That's moisture that's trapped in those garments, okay? And certainly if you're in sunny Queensland up here, the humidity the other day is 76, 80%. It gets into the fabric, okay? Moisture, when you try to heat press a transfer onto a garment, moisture at 100, look, water boils at that 100, and we're pressing at 150 degrees. So often what you'll see is you'll see all this steam come out, you know, and we all know it. You heat press the actual garment down, that steam comes out. Guys, when you're seeing that, that steam often is superheating, right? But it also stops the actual glue from pressing and bedding down into the fabric. So if you're struggling with your transfers, if you're pressing natural fabrics like cottons, okay? Think of hoodies, yes, t-shirts for sure. Calico bags are another one for it. We've seen it, huge number of orders where customers are struggling with calico bags, normally so quick and easy to press, but it's just the moisture, okay? So a quick pre-press. Now when we're talking a pre-press to get the moisture out, we're talking about a press that's 4 or 5 seconds long, okay? It also is going to heat the fabric up and get that fabric to temperature. It's also going to get any creases out of your fabric, okay? So a pre-press, if you've got the time to do it, if you want to do the best job, giving a pre-press to stabilize the fabric is a great thing to do. Something that we would always recommend is a pre-press. I know from production constraints, sometimes you go, oh, I just don't have quite the time. But if you're struggling to apply your transfers, if you've noticed that you're having a lot of moisture coming out when you're heat pressing, then doing a pre-press is going to get that moisture out. It's going to stabilize that fabric and make sure that your transfer goes on perfect every time. Guys, reach out. If you're still struggling, reach out to us. More than happy to help.